Hey, what is up, everybody? I'm Jason, and you're watching my channel, Micro Investor. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about a few different SPACs that are really starting to take off right now and making some pretty big gains at this moment. So as we get into this, if you guys don't mind, please do me a huge favor and please be sure to smash, destroy, and annihilate that like button because that helps me out with the YouTube algorithm and helps spread this video to more people that might find it interesting. And also subscribe if you have not already. And if you want to help out this channel even more, I do have a Patreon with a new private Discord chat. Link is in the description. Now let's get to it. The first one I'm talking about is Hennessy Capital Acquisitions, ticker symbol HCAC. Now, they are going to be merging with the electric vehicle company Canoo, which is based in Los Angeles. I've never heard of this company. They make these really interesting designed vehicles. Their main one that they're testing right now, their prototype, is a van, and it looks kind of like a jelly bean, kind of a weird design. This is a screenshot of HCAC stock on December 7th when it closed. The stock was up 35% that day. Now, looking back on this stock, when it was first announced that they were going to be merging with Canoo, there was some traction that went on with the stock, but it's one of those ones where it has a little bit of run up and then investors get impatient and they just sell off. And that is until we get to the point where we're at now where the stock did go up quite a bit. Now, the reason why HCAC stock is popping off right now, that is because the merger is going to be going through on December 21st, as long as there's no problems with shareholders disagreeing with it, but obviously everybody's invested in this SPAC for that reason, so there should be no problems. And when the merger is complete, the new ticker symbol will be GOEV and the warrants will be GOEVW. Let's get a better idea about Canoo by looking at some of the people that run this company. We have its main person in charge, Ulrich Kranz, who was a former BMW executive, and he was the creator and head of BMW I Division. And then we have Richard Kim, who is the main designer and brand manager, and he's done design work for BMW as well as Volkswagen Audi Group. And then looking at some of the other people that help run this company, we have people from Tesla, SpaceX, Ford, Porsche, etc. Involved in this company. Now keep in mind with this stock, as this company might have a prototype on the road and some renderings of different vehicle designs, their first product is not going to be expected for sale until the second quarter of 2022, and it's going to be bundled as a subscription type program as well with the vehicle. And their next vehicle launch is going to be sometime in 2023, which is going to be in the highly competitive delivery vehicle market, which is a space for the EVs that is just having many companies jumping on that. And then their third launch is going to be sometime in 2025. That is going to be a car. So just keep in mind that there's nothing available for sale with this company anytime soon. So expect if you're going to be paying this premium price for the stock, that anything could really happen at this point. Next is Lancadia Holdings, ticker symbol LCA. Now they're going to be merging with Golden Nugget Online Gaming and will be trading soon under the ticker symbol GNOG. Now they have their shareholding meeting to approve this merger on December 18th. So soon after that, it will be trading under its new name. Now a lot of people are excited about this merger. Over the last month, LCA stock is up 80%. The interesting thing about Lancadia Holdings is that this blank check company was put together by the billionaire owner of Golden Nugget, Tilman Ferretta. He set this up purposely to help ease the process of being able to take the Golden Nugget online casino public. And this guy, like I said before in my previous video about this stock, is that this guy is a rock star. He owns Landry's, which is 100% owned by him, which is the parent company of Golden Nugget, as well as many different restaurant chains like Rainforest Restaurant, Bubba Gump, Morton's The Steakhouse, and many other restaurants as well. So he's a very interesting businessman. He's also the owner of the NBA team, the Houston Rockets. This next one is Social Capital's second SPAC stock, ticker symbol IPOB, and this is going to be merging with the technology real estate company Opendoor Technologies. Now they will have their meeting to finalize the merger on December 17th. So December 18th, hopefully, we should be seeing Opendoor trading under the ticker symbol OPEN. Now, IPOB stock has had some pretty big run-ups and pullbacks over these last 3 months as investors have been anticipating the merger going through. But over the last 3 months, this stock has gone up over 100%. Now, as far as these SPAC blank check companies go, Social Capital is probably the most popular name as far as these blank check companies. That is because one of the previous SPACs was one of the most popular ones and really helped kick off this whole SPAC craze. And that was when they brought Virgin Galactic to public. Now, Opendoor has been building a name for themselves. So far, they've given out over 600,000 offers so far. And the way that they run is that people are able to sell their house directly to them, or Opendoor can list their home for them. Now, what Opendoor does is they go off of information that you give them, like pictures of the home, as well as they look at different houses in the area, and they're able to give you an instant offer within 60 seconds. Now, this can be a convenient way for customers because it can save them a lot of hassle and also some money because it does reduce the need for a real estate agent. So the closing cost of selling the house is much cheaper. Next is Trine Acquisitions, but no point looking up this stock as this one has just been approved as of December 8th for its merger with the 3D metal printing company Dekstop Metals. So now it's going to be trading under a new ticker called DM. If you bought into this stock when we first started talking about it on this channel, give yourself a pat on the back because it's done really well. Over the last month, TRNE stock is up 115% at the time of filming this right now. And just over this last week alone, the stock is up over 80%. So it's doing phenomenal. Now, what makes this SPAC merger such an interesting one is, unlike a lot of these other SPAC companies that don't have products available for sale yet and they're looking to grow their business years out, Dekstop Metals already does have a product available for sale, and it has more products that are lined up. The company already has revenue, so it's got a lot of good things going for it right there. And the company was founded by professors from MIT, so you know it's got some geniuses that are at this company. And looking at the board of directors from this company, they have people from Google and Ford as well that are involved with this company. Now, keep in mind with these SPAC stocks, it's very common that there's a sell-off that happens after the merger is complete because a lot of people just like to buy them and hold them through the merger because the stocks do tend to have a big run-up, and then they sell off their shares and they take their profits. So just keep that in mind. As you're seeing these stocks go up really fast right now, they can drop in price much faster as people do cash out their profits in the stock. That can happen with any stock, obviously, but it's more common to see with these SPACs during the merger. So with that being said, I'd like to hear everybody's thoughts on these SPAC stocks, and is there anybody that's invested into any of these? And do you plan on holding these through the merger and for long term, or is it something that you're just holding on temporarily to make some quick gains? So anyways, everybody, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I have new videos coming out on my channel all the time. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you all in the next video coming very soon.